All you need to start a YouTube channel is your phone. I didn't say that. I heard it just like you did too. However, if you want to grow your YouTube channel and you want to create valuable content that people want to watch and do it in such a way that you don't stress out, I think you may want to copy this strategy. So, to create videos on YouTube, I was able to put together like 5 different types of tools from personal experience running my YouTube channel and managing other people's own. The first is content planning tool. It can be as simple as a notebook, just a notepad to plan. It could be an app on your phone. Some phones have default note-taking apps, or you can download apps like Notion. It will help you to plan and to organize your content. What are you writing down on these notes? You're writing down ideas. You're writing down questions that people are asking you on social media or anywhere for that matter that you are creating content in line with. You're writing down research information. When you research and you get all those insights, where do you write them down? And apart from writing down these bits and pieces of information, you can also organize your scripts in these notes, whether they are physical notes or virtual notes. And it will even serve you better if these notes come with calendars so that you can attach days to them, attach time, and cross off the ones that you've worked on. So once you're able to figure out whatever works for you as a content planning tool, hold on to it tight. And then you will need number 2, video creation tool. Now, it could be a recording device like your phone or a camera or a webcam or even a software like Zoom or OBS where you host meeting and then you re-upload on YouTube. But whatever you use to create a video, that is your video creation tool. Now, if you're doing faceless videos, it could be an app like all these apps that you use for animation. And in this age of AI, there are a lot of them. Even before AI, people created a lot of animation, created lyric videos for children where you have ABCDs 1, 2, 3. You don't see anybody per se, you see animation. They use a software for that, and that is a video creation tool. So what kind of videos are you creating? What format of video are you creating? Whatever it is that you believe is the source of that video, hold on to it. And for those of us that are creating with cameras, whether it's a phone or with a professional camera, one thing that you must hold on to is your lights, because you need lighting. It does not matter the quality of your camera. Without light, you will get mediocre pictures. And what I recommend is number 1, a front-facing light that is close to your camera. For example, I'm using just one light and I'm using a phone for this video. So that light is close to the camera, the camera part of the phone. It gives the best quality. Now, the professional will tell you, put one light down, put it by the side. I'm still learning all that, and that's beautiful. But please make sure you use this particular one. But if you do not have lights, please use natural light. Sunlight gives the best pictures. But most importantly, whatever you do, use either a tripod or look for something stable that you can hold on to. If you have to hold the camera, let it be once in a while, or maybe somebody holds it for you once in a while, try and get a tripod because it will give you stability. In no time, your YouTube channel is going to create opportunities not just for you, but for others that will work with you. One of the reasons why it's important for you to be very sure of what your video creation tool is you need to have a uniform look. If somebody is watching your content, they will look forward to it. They can judge your video by the looks, okay? Now, you can always upgrade, you can always change, but what is your source of video creation? Let me know in the comments, what kind of video are you creating? You know what, let me add a caveat here. For some people, you don't need all these plenty things. All you need is come online, turn on your camera, go live and do just create your content. That might be your thing. You don't need all these edits, and that's wonderful depending on the kind of content you're creating. For example, if you're creating like a prayer channel, you just come online, pray for people and all that. You don't even need all these plenty edits. It depends on the kind of audience you want to appeal to. I'm going to talk about going live in subsequent videos. But I'm just trying to let you know that you need to figure out what works for you. You need to choose something, try it out, figure out if it works for you. You stick to it if it works, you change it if it doesn't. So now that you know what your video creation tool is, the next thing you need is video editing tools. Yes. You need a video editing tool to optimize your audio and your video. Audio is very, very important in video. And if you're using your phone, you can download apps. Apps like CapCut, very, very reliable. Apps like InShot and even Canva. You can use Canva to edit. And we have CapCut PC version. We also have Adobe Premiere Pro. We have DaVinci Resolve. If you're using a Mac system, you can use iMovie or any other editing app that works for you. And of course, if you're doing faceless videos like all these animation videos, you also choose the app that you are going to be working with. It's good to choose one, stick to that one, or combine 2 or 3 depending on what you want to achieve. I know that this is my video editing app. There is this conversation ongoing on YouTube about how professional video editors can transform a video that was not doing well just by editing. Editing is a lot. Now, it's going to be time consuming, but because you're doing it yourself, it's better for you to streamline your process so that you have a preset, like on CapCut, for example. Whatever the adjustments that you have on your video can be saved as a preset. So when you upload your next video, you just click on that preset. Everything will apply to your new video. Okay? But there are some platforms that do like all-in-one for you. For example, Canva. Canva is a platform that you can use to do so many things, including video editing. So you can check out Canva as well. Just choose what works for you. That takes us to number 4. The number 4 tool is video optimizing tools. What does it mean to optimize video? When you hear the word optimize, it means what you're going to do to get people to click your video, to watch your video, to notice your video, to find your video. And optimization goes with SEO, which is search engine optimization, because YouTube is search based. If you go to YouTube, how do you find videos on YouTube? Apart from scrolling on YouTube, do you type in words? Because YouTube is also a search engine, just second to Google. After Google, YouTube is the largest search engine. People search for everything because people prefer video-based content. Somebody wants to learn stuff, they prefer to watch videos more than reading about it. So they search on YouTube. How do you make yourself visible? You need optimization tools like, number 1, Google Trends. And Google Trends is owned by Google, so it gives you direct information because YouTube is also a Google company. What do you find there? What people are searching for? What is trending? What are people coming to YouTube to look for? So go to Google Trends and use Google Trends to help you find topics. It will help you in your description. It will help you to find tags that people are searching for. Secondly, you can also go to YouTube. Just go to YouTube and type in your keyword. You will see what people are searching for. Alright, just like this. I'm going to show you right now. You can also ask ChatGPT to suggest topics for you, to suggest tags for you. Why are you doing all this? You are looking for title, you are looking for what you put in your description, and you're looking for tags. But you can even pre-populate your tags, so you don't need to be adding tags for every video. You can add it in the settings and it will appear on every video. If you don't know how to do that, watch the first video I uploaded on this channel. It's about how to do all that in the settings. I'm going to link it in the description and maybe somewhere around the cards, but check the description, you will find the link to that video. When you see a video on YouTube, what do? You look at the title. If the title speaks to you, you click. Then apart from the title, what else do you look at? You look at the thumbnail. Yes. Now the thumbnail, I recommend Canva because I use Canva. You can use any other designing tool. You can even pay somebody. But if you're not making money yet and you want to do it yourself without stressing yourself, I'll recommend you go to Canva, use Canva templates, YouTube thumbnails. So I recommend you just have like 2, 3, 4, or 5 different formats that you save as templates that you can be reusing. Just add the new information and reuse it. You can use Canva for any picture or graphics that you need for YouTube. All you need to do is look at the dimensions. Oh, is it 640 by 640? Oh, is it 19 by 6, look at the dimensions, go to custom size, put in the custom size, or just type in the template like YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube logo, whatever you need, right? Just type it in. You can see it in the template. Even though you can use Canva for free, you can get a lot more from the pro version, such as editing the background of your video. How cool is that? You can get all the pro features 30 days for free with a link in my description here. What optimizing your video does for you is it makes people notice your video when they are scrolling, because your thumbnail will speak to them and the title too. But apart from that, if you put in the right information in the description and tags, do you know what you've done? You have effectively communicated to YouTube. And what YouTube does is like the work of a middleman. It receives this information from you and delivers it to the people that are looking for it. And guess what? Somebody that did not even see your video to click on can still watch your video. How? When somebody is watching a video, YouTube is already arranging suggested videos. When the video that they clicked on gets to the end, YouTube will suggest similar videos. So if your video addresses what that person is looking for, your video might be suggested. And it will surprise you how, if you check your back end, by the time you start getting views, you'll be getting a lot of suggested videos. And if that person likes what they are hearing, what do you think they will do? They will come and check, who is this? They will subscribe. That, my friend, is growth. Finally, last but definitely not the least, is distribution tools. You see people that come to YouTube every day. After one video, they have 1 million views. Trust me, it's not because God loves them more than you. Some of them leverage distribution platforms. It's because they have an audience already somewhere that they are bringing into YouTube. And you know, when you share your link somewhere, and when someone clicks on it, it brings that person directly to your video in YouTube. So one thing I noticed is a lot of people that are doing well on YouTube have blogs. So they have blogs where they write, and when people are searching on Google itself, the search engine, the video pops up from their blog, and then it brings people to their YouTube channel. But beyond that, people have communities like Discord. People have all these forums like Quora, Reddit. People have communities there where they share their videos. Even Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. People leverage all these platforms as a way to distribute from YouTube. And you can even use your other social media accounts to distribute if YouTube is your main account. If you're a YouTuber, you think YouTube is like the main video platform. Okay, so this is where I have my video hosted. But you can do what they call repurposing. When you repurpose your content, what do? You share snippets, 15, 10, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, smaller chunks of your video. You now post them on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, any other platform that might be some other person's main platform. But if it is not your main platform, you can use it for distribution. So YouTube now becomes like your website, becomes the link in your description that people come to watch the full video. So if you have this system in place, your videos will do way better. So if there's anything I missed, or if you have any questions, please feel free to write it in the comments and I will respond with a video. This is like a community where we're going to help each other. So feel free to hit me up. We can do an analysis of your channel, help you get clarity, help you figure out next steps for your channel. Thank you for subscribing and following this series. The next video coming up is about content strategy for rapid growth on YouTube.